So today I wanted to address some of the pots with the big palms and the agaves. I'm not going to record the whole process because as you can see we have lots of wind going on, and all you're going to hear is just a bunch of muffled wind. If you could hear the natural wind, then that would be fine, but that's not how the mic records it. It's just really strong wind. So what I did right now with this one, as you can see, I cleaned it up and I added more soil. The next one that I want to address now is this pot. I'm going to pull that aloe, add some soil, and possibly add some plants. Okay, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. And then this one, I also have to pull all those plants out and pot them in other pots so I can fill this up and probably put new plants in there. Already grown plants, not baby. Those were all babies that I threw in there and they've grown. So yeah, I'll show you guys after that. This, right, it's a big difference. See how it does there. Sorry guys, we're still having a lot of wind. I put it there to see how it does. Whenever I do see these plants at Home Depot, they are getting a lot of sun and they look in fair condition unless they were watered. So I'm hoping that the palm tree kind of protects them a little bit, and it does well there. Look at the agave. Just to bring a little color to the pot. And look at that one. Maxie, you like it, Maxie? Yeah, Maxie likes it. The topsy-turvy that was already growing in this one is in there. So this is golden sedum, topsy-turvy, and California sunset. Golden sedum, echeverria derby, California sunset, same thing. Golden sedum, California sunset, and echeverria derby. So that's it guys for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and have a blessed day guys. Bye.